Alright, hello again everyone. So today we're going over problems 3 and 4 from task 9.4, starting here with number 3. So we've got a table that shows the relationship between grams of fat and the calories associated with that. We end up actually have a problem that asks us more about calories burned when running. So we're using the relationship between fat and calories to then establish a new relationship between calories burned and minutes spent running. So they give us an equation for that, y equals 1/10 x plus 20, and they define x as the calories, y is the minutes spent running. So when they go on to ask how long does she need to run if she eats something with 9 grams of fat, we're first linking 9 grams of fat with 150 calories, and then I can place that 150 calories as the x value. So after that, it's just a matter of taking the linear equation, replacing the x value with 150. Again, that's because 9 grams of fat is worth 150 calories, and calories is the x value. And then once you put 150 in there, you can evaluate, find a final answer of 35, and that's 35 minutes of running to burn off 150 calories. So looking ahead to number 4 here. This time we've got a graph showing the relationship between the temperature in Celsius and ice cream sales. And so you can see the relationship shown there. So then what we have here is a problem that had a couple different ways to do it in part A. They want us to talk about the slope, but notice they mention 10-degree increase. Not 1 degree like we would usually do, but 10 degrees. So one option, if you did y minus y over x minus x, was if you picked the points 0, 40 and 14, 460, you can see the y minus y over x minus x, and that worked out to 30. Now what did that mean? That's 30 in top, that's a y value, that's dollars, over 1, and that's 1 degree in the bottom. But they didn't ask us about 1 degree, they asked us about 10 degrees. So then a multiply by 10 and a multiply by 10, I can see it as $300 for 10 degrees. That's why I filled in 300 right there. Or you can see another option was if you picked some different points, some of you might have noticed that from 14 degrees to 24 degrees, that was 10 degrees. So that way we got that same answer right away. Instead of 30 over 1 and then needing to change it to 300 over 10, you might have gotten $300 for 10 degrees right away. In part B, now we've got a y-intercept value of 40. That's x is 0, the temperature is 0, and y is 40. They make $40 from selling ice cream. And finally, in part C, now we need a linear equation. We're making a prediction about what happens when it's 27 degrees. Temperature is an x value. So I'm first labeling 27 is going to be an x value. I'm reaching back to part A, and I'm finding a slope of 30. I'm reaching back to part B, and I'm finding a y-intercept of 40. And that's what allowed me to write y equals 30x plus 40. So then substitute x is 27, and you can use a calculator to help there. You should find $850. And that's $850 sales of ice cream when the temperature is 27 degrees. That's it for right now. If you could go ahead and work on task 9.5, just page 27, please. That's numbers 1, 2, and 3 on page 27. And that's all. Thank you all very much.